Hello? I think you can hear me now. If you're here, please show yourself. Sidap. Hello, Sidap. How are you? How are you, Sidap? Today we're going to talk about Testflight. Yesterday I had an issue with the internet. Sorry about that. About that. Apologize. Let me know if you can hear me, please. Yeah, I think everyone can hear me. Yeah. Ashar. Rob, hello. Rob, yeah, I answered you actually. Rob, I I I answered your email. How is it going, guys? Welcome. I had an issue yesterday with my internet. I have to upgrade my package, so we don't have that issue today. Hopefully, I don't know what was it. So sorry about it. I think today we are running cool. So today we show you how to use Testflight. Ashar, your other account is set up. Is that what you mean, or what do you mean? Okay. Welcome. Welcome to today's stream. Let's wait about 2 more minutes and then we're set to go. If you get here, please say something. Yes, Asha. Yesterday I was trying to make this happen, but something happened with my internet. I couldn't get it connected, even not even upload the class. So yeah, let's see how this goes. It's been one of those days. Yeah, it's been. Bro. Yesterday was very weird day. No internet, no YouTube, nothing. 40 more seconds. Yeah, a little bit more, just a little. Okay, I think we're good to go. Let's get this started, guys. Rob, be right back. So, well, you can see how it works afterwards. Okay. So today we're going to talk about how to use Testflight. My name is Mauricio. I'm part of the ordering team, and in this lesson, I want to show you how you can test your apps on your iPhone device or your iPad. You need a MacBook, MacBook Air, an iMac or any of those computers in order to upload the IPA file if you haven't set up the builder certificates and everything. Okay, if you have that already set up, don't worry about it. It'll be there. It'll be much easier to get it working. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Doesn't matter. I will first. We also need the. Let me close what's up here. We will get in our builder first, and we are going to open our app. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the iOS and how to use Testflight. It's very easy. You just need a little bit of patience and time. Okay, so I'm going to upgrade the version of my app right here. I will update this. I will change the color. Any little change so I can show you it works. Let's put it like this. Update. This is going to be the change that we are going to see right now. The app that I can test using Testflight is this one. Let me show you. Let me show you. Oh, this is my device. This is the one that I'm testing right now. So as you can see, it is green. Okay. When I do that change, it'll be like orange, red, something like that. This color. Okay. Now let's go and update this. Then go in build apps. First, I will do it the manual way, and then I will explain you how it is going to be in the automatic way. Okay, now I will build the Pro. This is the Pro, okay? I will build the Pro. In the meantime, this gets builded. I will open a thing called application loader. It'll be in your macOS devices, okay? MacBook or iMac or anything. However, sometimes, for example, I will work with my account. I will move this so I don't show you my password, but I will show you the error. This error might come up in your account, okay? It is very normal. It is because the application loader software, the version that you have in your macOS device, it's old, okay? So all you have to do is close this one, open Xcode. It should be already in your accounts. If you don't have it in your accounts, sorry, in your devices, make sure to install it. Here we're going to click application. Sorry, let me show you one more time. It will open this thing. This is application. This is the Xcode. So we'll have to click here, go in Open Developers Tool, and then click in Application Loader. It'll open the same app. So now, but now in this in a new in a new process, okay? And this time it'll work. It will open, and we will be able to upload the IPA file. Okay, so now as you can see, here's where we drop the newest file that we are going to create. In the meantime, I will move this here. In the meantime, this gets builded. I will go into my iTunes. Well, it's App Store Connect, this one, and I will go inside my app. I will get a verification. Okay, I will get here. Okay, trust this computer. It'll be the same on your end with your account, and you will have to use your device, okay, your phone. So now I will get in my account, ordering here, and then we're going to select the app that we're going to work with, which is university. This one. As you can see, the layout changed a little bit, so it will work the same, just it will look a little bit different. So now, as you can see here, we have the test flight tab. Okay, we have the latest build, which I tried to show you yesterday, but we couldn't make it happen. And here is also what we're going to do right now is to this build I'm going to expire so we can test the new one. Expire build. This is still building. Also here in testers, you will have to make sure the the testers that you have enabled here. Okay, for example, here I have this tester. If you need another one, right now we don't have any build, but when you get a build, I will it will it will show you the users. You add them here, users and access. As you can see here, I have a few, and the one that I need also is going to be this one. You have to create these users and give them just app manager roles, and it'll work perfectly. Okay, I will go back. When you invite any of these users, you will get a few emails. Okay, so make sure you accept them and make sure to register the new tester and everything. Okay, now the build is done. I will download this IPA file. I will bring up my application loader. I will double click here. Let's wait for this to download. Okay, it'll just take 1 minute or so. If you have any questions, do not forget to write me in the chat. As soon as I get some time, I will answer, okay? Don't forget about it. If you have a question not related to today's topic, I will answer at the end, for sure. Okay, this is still downloading. That one, we don't need it right now. Okay, let's just wait for this to download. Actually, here is where we can see it, an application loader. Once it is downloaded, I will click again. I will look for my file. It is this one. Or I will do this, open. Now it says a few things about the app. Now I'm going to click next. Now the application loader is going to check a few things, and then this application loader will send the build into the App Store Connect. Remember that it gets linked according to the package. So this is the package of this build, and it is the same package of this app, of the app that we are testing on. And here you can see it, App Store, here app information, here it is. Okay, you have to make sure it matches so you don't have any issues, right? Let's wait for the application loader to do the process. This is the latest one. It will show a new one when the application loader ends its process. Okay, now it's done. We click next, done. Now we can close the application loader. We don't need it anymore. Okay, and here in in the App Store Connect panel, in a few minutes it will show here the latest build that we just uploaded. Sorry, it will be in processing in the process of uploading it. This is great. I am refreshing until we see that that last build is processing. It'll take a few minutes. Okay. In the meantime, this gets like uploaded and everything. You will have to download the Testflight um, app in your device like this. As you can see, this is my device. And you can see it there. Okay. So here is this is how it's going to look. And when you click redeem, Testflight Testflight is going to give us a code. Okay. So here we will put it, and it will download the build that we are going to test at the time. Okay, this is not here yet. Let's just give it a little few minutes. We'll close also this one, and also I will try to upload it using the store button. I will upgrade the version. Always upgrade the version when you are doing any change. Okay. Update. Then we're going to compile. We were having a little issue yesterday with this. Let's see if it works right now. This start button will work if you have everything set up correctly. Okay, if it doesn't work, there is something that you are missing. It might be a password, it might be a certificate, it might be um, the the name of your account, the ID of your account. There are a few factors that you have to take to bear in mind in order for this to work perfectly. That is very important. So reload one more time. Not yet. Since it takes a few minutes, I will show you with this one if the latest build is not showing. Okay. This is doing the process of storing. Let's just give it a few minutes. I told you you will require some time. For update version, can you use the store button? Yeah, sure. So whenever you do any changes here of your developers module, of your images, of your colors, of anything in the builder, you will have to upgrade the version of the app, update the changes, and then click a store button in order to send the latest build that you created, the latest changes. That is very important. Let's see the same. Reload. We'll have to give it a little few minutes. I will go in apps, maybe open it one more time. Activity, not yet. Just keep waiting for it. In the meantime, you can also prepare everything that is here in the listing. Still not showing here either. So we have the ones that I tried yesterday. It worked perfectly. If you are using the delivery app, make sure to add the password and email of the drivers, okay, for Apple to test. So this is already download our app, get notification to the update. No, it doesn't give notification. You have to notify them, but it'll say in the App Store, it'll say update. Do you remember? It says update on the iPhones when there's any new update, any new version. It won't notify. It won't. You have to notify them. Okay, as you can see here, we have the newest build, the one that we created before. It is showing processing now. It'll it'll take a few minutes, okay? So bear with me. and you can test a lot of times using Testflight and everything. Also, do not forget that if you want to test the app, there is this way which only allows you 100 users for testing with Testflight, and there is the adding UDIDs to the certificates, uh, which you will have to ask for each of the certificates of the UDID, sorry, to the customers, to your like testers, and add them in the certificate. Okay, those are the two ways. There are no more currently. I mean, to test in iPhones. Okay, you can build. Android is very easy, and you with any Android phone that you might have, you just read the QR code, and that's it. Or you can also test with the build demo, in which you can just click update the demo and then click the new link and test it. Okay, this is still like that. It'll start showing like colors here. It will be the logo and then colors and then, yeah, like this. After it is finished, it will show here in Testflight. This one is going to be blue, and then you can click on it and add the testers and everything. You can test like this. This is the URL where you can test also. As you can see, it's using the device. We can see the changes here. It's already like orange. However, we want to see it in our iPhone device. Let's just wait for Apple to do this process. As you can see, it is taking me about 15 minutes to get this working, so it's very fast, you know, it's fast. It just take a little bit time. It's still gray. We need this to be blue. Okay, as you can see, this failed. This is my log. You don't have to, if everything is good in your account, there's not going to be any problem, okay? If you're having any issues, you don't forget that you have to submit a ticket, and support will answer you in less than 24 hours. If I have the answer here on hand, I will give it to you. If I don't, please submit a ticket. Karim, let me finish this topic and I will help you for sure with your question, okay? Let's just wait for this to be. Actually, let me open my email, the email of the test that I'm going to do. This is the one that I'm going to test with here in my device. Let's just wait. I have to invite it. I just wanted to have it on hand ready. Okay. Yes, the team is telling me that there is an issue with the App Store, with the iOS apps, related to a third party called Fastlane. So we are getting it fixed as we speak. Just be patient, please, and we will get it done for sure. Now, as you can see, this is blue. This is good. Okay, it is blue. You click on it, and then we add the testers. Add testers, existing testers. It'll say, does your app use encryption? You say yes, because we don't save any password. We click next. Does your app qualify the categories provided by the US Export Administration regulations? Yes, it does. So you click yes, and then click start internal testing. Now we're going to click one more time here, add existing testers. We have this one, so we're going to go back, all testers, then here we click plus, no, here we have to click this one, and then I'm going to invite my other email. My email is going to receive a, sorry about the ads and everything, I never use this email. We're going to receive an invitation here It'll take just a few minutes. Reload. Just give it a few minutes. Okay. Reload one more time. I think I saw it. Just to rush this, if you haven't received the invite, just click one more time here, resend invite. I I I would I would have gotten it eventually, but just to make this faster, I just click resend it. Okay, okay. Then we have it here. It says test flight like this. Then if we click here, view test flight, here we have a code. Do you remember the redeem that I showed you before? So here we are at my phone. I will delete this version because it's the last one. Then I will go in test flight. I will, oh, sorry. I will put this code. It's going to be TSKCSBW, and it will install the latest version, which right now is the 4.22.9. You can see it is installing. When we open it, it'll be the orange one. And that's it. You will have to do the same like this for all of your, as you can see, it's the orange one is the version that we just created, and I am testing it using Testflight. So that is the way, guys. That is the way to use Testflight with ordering or with any platform, with any app, iOS apps. Do not forget, we did this the manual way. It'll work perfectly for you. When the store button is working, it'll do the same. Well, it'll save the application loader process that I showed you. Okay, we will get it fixed very soon, very soon. And that's it. Remember that you can only add up to 100 testers. Okay, that was it, guys. That's it. This expires in 90 days, so you have 90 days to test your apps and everything. You can add the users, etc. Okay, what do you think, guys? Any questions about today's topic? Anything? Karim, let me answer your question. It's not related to a topic, guys, so don't get confused. Karim is saying, I connected my domain name using Cloudflare servers a few days ago, following the instructions. It is normal. How long is a few days ago, Karim? I remember that it took about 72 hours to reflect because of the propagation of the domain around the world, but if everything is well set, I mean, it should take about 72 3 days. So if you keep having any issues, please do not forget to contact support. They will give you a hand with any issue that you might have. Okay. Is there a way to know that it's all well set? Yes, there is, but you have to contact. I mean, first you have to contact your domain provider and the setup that you have made. So check that. And the second way, the other way is to use reflected. I cannot show your domain here. However, do me a favor, test it on incognito window and let me know if it works. Or what is he saying, please? Ashar, you deleted something. What was it? Yeah, test it and let me know, Karim, please. Guys, if any of you have any questions, please let me know. Now is the time. Related to this topic or any topic. Don't worry about it. I am sure I can help you with anything. Please let me know. Also, do not forget to send me your suggestions, guys. Those are very important for me. The form to submit suggestions is at the bottom. It looks like this. It looks like this, where you can fill it up. I will also send to you over the chat. Okay. Just click write a suggestion. Write your suggestion right here. Please click OK. It will ask for your email and then submit. Here is someone saying thank you very much. And that's it. Shar, is the flow correct? What do you mean? Is that a question or a or what? What do you mean, Ashar? Please let me know. Any more questions, guys? I know it was a short lesson, but it's very important for me to show you how you can test your apps. You have a lots of way to test them before you launch them and avoid like wasting time uh, fixing errors that you could have avoid beforehand. What do you think, guys? No questions? Is the flow correct? What flow? Can you be more specific, please, Asha? What do you mean by flow? From my understanding, you mean like how to first you add the IPA and those stuff and the testers and everything? Well, yeah, you can do it just like I did, and it'll work perfectly for you. As you saw, I have it already on my iPhone, and it is working perfectly. Great. Here's my app. Oh, sorry. What do you think, guys? Any questions? Anything? Let me know if it worked, Karim, please. If it didn't, please send a ticket. If you have already sent a ticket, we will answer you in less than 24 hours from the time you send your ticket. Okay. When we submit the forms to build the apps, we want to make change later. Does it require expertise to make these changes? Which changes, Karim? It doesn't require much any developer's skill. I mean, in your builder, you can change all the images, and you can change the color, you can change the logos, the name, a few features that you want to activate or disable them. You can do a lot from here. If you require something else like images, is very easy. Images, you go here in resources, and here you have the icons, the Android notification icon, and the splash images. And here in images, you have the background color. Let me show you. Um, it's loading. You have the homepage logo, which is the one. Let me show you. Let me get my phone to show here. So just very hard password, by the way. So this is my logo. This is my homepage background. The checkout enhancement image is the one at the end. The alternative logo is something that will show if your business does not have any logo. The tutorials images are, let me see. Oh, these are not showing because it shows the first time. Are the tutorial? Those are the tutorials. Okay, you have it here with the size and everything. You might need a designer, but that's it. Uh, Dummy business header. If the business does not have any header, it'll show this dummy one. Dummy business logo is the same. The car is the little image that is going to show for the driver when it's moving in the map when you follow the order. That is the one. That is the icon. Colors, you can change them here. How about the grading on the website background page? To change any text that you have on your platform, Karim, you will have to go in your language manager. Let me show you. Ordering unique. For example, here we have some text. I don't remember what it says. I think it says the same. We get what you love, but let's see. This is loading. Yeah, it says we get what you love. We're going to log in as super admin and we're going to go in more, then language manager, then we're going to search for the text. Here we get what you love, Karim. Oh, Karim. Then we're going to add an emoji. That this is saved automatically. Now we will close this one and we are going to search this in an incognito to make the process faster because it has to clear cache and it takes a few minutes. But now let it reload and that's it. You change that text just like that. It's very easy. And every text that you have around the platform, it'll get changed the same way. And that's it, Karim. So the domain did not work. Yeah, support will help you. Don't worry about it. Ashar, I couldn't understand your question. Can you rephrase it, please? My pleasure, Karim. Thank you. Thank you. Any more questions, guys, for today's class? It took us like 20 minutes to get it done, so you can do it faster. Oh, you get it? Okay. Okay, Ashar. Any more questions, guys? Please let me know, or we can wrap this up. It is very easy but basic uh, lesson to know. So I wanted to give it to you. This is for iOS. Android, just grab your Android phone and read the QR code. You can test it on any device. That's no problem. I will give you 1 more minute for questions. If not, if there's any, I will wrap today's lesson up. I think there are no questions. Rob, please let me know if you saw my email. I'll be happy to help you in any questions that you might have, okay? I think there are no questions. No questions from you, Ashar. Amazing, thank you. Did you launch already, Ashar? Did the custom work is finished? How is that going? If there's anything I can help you with, please let me know. I'll be happy to. Okay, well, there's just chat with Liz. Galindo. G stands for Galindo. It's very cool, that name. Just chat with. Okay, Ashar. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with in on the email or WhatsApp. You have all my contacts. That's going to be all for today's lesson. I hope this works for you because it's important to test your apps before launching. There is beta and alpha testing and everything. Bear that in mind. Is very important for you to have success faster. So uh, have a great day, guys. Weekend, actually. Weekend. Be safe. Stay at home if you can. If you don't, take all the precautions. And see you on Monday. Have a great uh, weekend and be safe. Bye bye. Ashar, is there something? Let me know over email or WhatsApp.